Hey guys, so I did a makeup haul from the drugstore and these are all from Big W. So if you live in Australia, Big W has discount on all their makeup, but I specifically went there for Max Factor because Big W I think is the only place that sells it that's easy to get to. So I'm going to go through with you some of the things I got, summer repurchases, and but mostly newer stuff to me. So I'm going to start with the Max Factor blushes. So these blushes are the Cream Puff blushes. And these are some of the best drugstore blushes I've ever tried. So this one's a really beautiful, vibrant kind of magenta. And I also got lovely pink. These are similar to Milani blushes. We'll just stick to Max Factor. This one is the Lipfinity lipstick. And this colour I got is, I have no idea, it doesn't say. It's a beautiful rosy mauve kind of colour, and this is a really beautiful texture. I love these. I wish they came out with more colours, but they were sold out of a lot of colours, so I only got one of those. I also got this Max Factor lipstick. This one's in Simply Nude. And it looks quite dark here, but I will swatch it. Just a really pretty, it's almost like a mauve nude. It's really, really beautiful. The only thing I don't like about this lipstick in particular from Max Factor is the smell. Very, very heavily scented. Actually, a lot of Max Factor products are heavily scented. Let me smell this one, the Lipfinity. See, this one smells really nice. It smells like bubble gum. But this one's got a very, very heavy fragrance. Perfumey, weird smell. I'm not into the smell. What else? I got the Max Factor. Sorry, is it focusing? You just fix it. I got the Volume Infusion Mascara, and this is supposed to have keratin in it, and it's a classic brush, which I like the classics, the bristle brush instead of the plastic ones. And I was hoping to get some lip liners, but they didn't have any. I got this. I took the label kind of came off with the sticker, so I just took it all off. It's just the Illuminator in the light pink kind of shade. This is, I thought, because I'm running out of my La Mer illuminating primer, so I thought this would be a good drugstore dupe, and it really is a good drugstore dupe. Of course, I haven't actually worn any of these things, but just swatching it, you won't be able to see it. Is very, very good dupe from what I can tell to the La Mer. So love that. And that one again, wow, it's really heavily fragranced, but it almost smells like Chanel. So they're not consistent. Max Factor is not really consistent with the fragrance. They have different fragrances for different products, but this one's nice. It smells like Chanel. Wow, it really does smell like Chanel. Okay, Any other Max Factor things? Oh, I got this concealer to try. Radiant Lift Concealer. Long lasting and radiant. I liked the little pudgy applicator. So we'll give that a go. This one's in the shade Fair. I'll do a YouTube video applying all these things. Well, some of them. I did get, oh, here we go. This is one more of the Max Factor items that I got. And this is the Kohl Kajal liner. And this is for my waterline in beige. It's the beige color. Just to apply in my waterline. And it's just a really pretty, just your typical nude, your Marc Jacobs or your NARS buff eyeliner. Can't wait to try that. And already I can see that it is not moving. So that'll probably be good and long lasting. I might just take things out that I've already shown so I don't get confused. Okay, so I got this Maybelline lipstick, and this is the Shine in Undressed Pink, and this color is so pretty. It's such a beautiful pink, and the texture just feels really, really nice. It reminds me of like the Dior Addict Shine lipsticks. I got, oh, this is a backup, Peach Buff. This is my all-time favorite lipstick by Maybelline in 540 Peach Buff. This is my perfect nude shade. It's not too orange, it's not too pink, and it's a really nice light kind of color. Definitely recommend Peach Buff. This is my all-time favorite lipstick. I even like it more than a lot of my high-end lipsticks. This is a new to me lippy. I loved the packaging, but I wasn't so into the colors. There was two colors I liked. I liked this one, No Cliche, and I liked three, No Cliche, No Obstacles, and No Doubts, but the other two were sold out, so I just stuck to No Cliche. I just don't like the way L'Oreal lipsticks smell. So you can see it's a little bit more of a browny nude. And I got two new, these just released, these Revlon lipsticks. These are like a shine formula. So this is called Beaming Strawberry and 002. And these colors are beautiful. So this one reminds me of my Chanel lipstick. The Rouge Cocoa Shine. These are very similar to the Rouge Cocoa Shines. So that's the Beaming Strawberry up the top there. Really, really beautiful. Actually, I think this is going to be a dupe for my Chanel. Like the color and the and the consistency. I think it's going to be a dupe. So I'll do a video and we'll see how they look. And this one is Glossed Up Rose. Oh, this is stunning. Wow, that is beautiful. It's like almost the same color as the Lipfinity from Max Factor. Just a shinier formula. I think I need to get a couple of more of these. I hope they have some lighter shades, but I doubt it. I think these were the lightest. Well, no, sorry. I think the strawberry one was Beaming Strawberry. I don't think they have any like nude colors. Okay, I got a lip kit from Nude by Nature, one of my most favorite and loved brands of all time. They're actually having an Afterpay day sale, so I'm gonna jump online after this and shop some Nude by Nature products. So this was a lip kit, a lip liner, and a matte lipstick. And these both are really good. This one is in 02 Blush Nude. It's almost identical to No Obstacles lipstick. And this lipstick is in Blush Nude as well. So it looks quite dark. So it is quite a dark kind of brownie plum. Love those. I got a Rimmel, actually we'll stick to Nude by Nature. I ended up with this concealer. I've never tried their concealers. I know they have two or three different concealers. This one is in Porcelain Beige 02, and it is the Flawless Concealer. So we'll see how that turns out. Onto Rimmel. This is the Wonder Luxe Volume. Cannot wait to try this. It's a plastic wand, and this is in the black shade. Rimmel has brown mascaras, which I like. I'm not that into black. This is a L'Oreal eyeliner. I thought this would be similar to the Charlotte Tilbury eyeliner. It's like a plummy wine color. It's very smooth and creamy. I love these eyeliners. I'm going to get some more. This one is the Lilina Signature. I got a brown Maybelline Master Precise All Day Felt Tip Eyeliner. And I got two lip liners, which I've had before, and they're old and I had to throw them out. So these are the Rimmel lip liners, and I got Addiction and East End Snob. So East End Snob is a really pretty pink, and Addiction is one of my all-time favorites. And it's very similar to the Nude by Nature lipstick, but it's a little bit more pink.